Hello ma'am, good morning. And in this video, I will show you the shopping cart function on your website and how to create and how to customize and how to maintain the package on your website. So first of all, you can see this is the shopping cart button is here. And first I need to refresh this page. And let's say as a customer, I want to purchase military to civilian resume package. So view package, then I can see the image and the package, three package, first, second and third. So let's say I want to purchase the second package, competitive age resume package, and this is the feature of this package, resume package. So now purchase, click on it, and you can see now we are on the checkout option, checkout page option. So let's say we not want to check out right now. So back the website again, and you can see our package has been added on our shopping cart. So also we want to purchase one more package on your website. So these are the package. So I want to purchase the mid-level professional. Also, you can add more package. So if I want to click the plus button, you can see the automatically add two, and this is the price. You can see this is the only price for this package, and total is here. So right now I don't want to two package. I just want to one package, and this is another package on your website, mid-level. So in this package, I want to the last package, get hired resume package, and this is the price. So click on the purchase button, and now we are the checkout page. So this is the first name of mine because I'm a customer on your website. So this is the name, and this is the second name, and company name, then the country. I am from Bangladesh, and a customer can select on her country, and the street address, then town, then district, and the postal code, and then phone number and the email address. So in this email, we can receive the processing email and processing all the content through this email. And here is the additional text. You can type any kind of note as a user. Also, here are the coupon code. So if you have any kind of coupon code for this percentage and discount on this website on your business, as a customer, you can put your coupon code and you will get the discount. So right now we don't set up the PayPal, so we have checkout through this bank transfer. So finally we need to click the place order button, and you can see we are on the page which has been successful. You can see, thank you, your order has been received. And our order number is 4792. Then date right now 18 and 18, then 2022, then my email, and subtotal, the price, and payment method here, order details, the first product here, and the second subtotal, payment method, then billing address. This is my billing address. So this is a processing on your website, a short processing. So let's say we need to go the dashboard, and first, as a customer, I receive a email. So if I go my email, then switch my email which I has been used on your website. So I used upwork.moksedul@gmail.com. So you can see here is the email, new email. You can see new email. So click on it, and you can see 𝘧𝘰𝘶 and Career Service LLC, your photo, your email. And here is the email which has been come from your website. So this is your business name. Then the text, hi Moksedul, this is my name, and this area is for customer name, and my order number. Then thank you for your purchase. Then the package image with package name and quantity with price. Payment method same to same. So as a admin, as a website admin, you need to go the WooCommerce option. WooCommerce, when you offer the WooCommerce option, you will get the order option. So click the order option, order menu, and you can see here is the new order which has been 3 minutes ago, and the status on hold. That means we don't have received the order. So first of all, we need to click the I button, and you can see the billing details same to same, complete data same to same, product to product, first and second. So here you can see the processing and the complete. So right now, when you are get the order on your website, from your website, first of all you need to accept and then complete. So if you want to accept, you can click the processing button, which means customer can know you have accept the order. So right now I am clicking the processing button. So you can see the status has been changed, on hold to processing, and then we can complete. That means you are working on this package which I have been ordered on your website. So right now we need to back our email, and you can see I have received another email, another new email from your website. Automatically, it is automatically. So click on it, and you can see this is the 4 minutes ago, and this is 0 minutes ago, which means this is a new on our email. So here you can see, hi Moksedul, this is my name. Thank you for your purchase. We are processing your order. That means we are working on your resume package. And here is the first and second product, then payment method and billing address. Also the shipping address. And here the your social profile. If you want to give, please send me the link so that I can include the social media link. So right now we have received 2 mail from your website. So let's say you have prepared the complete package for your customer. So one more click the I button and click the complete, because you have completely delivered the resume package from your customer. So click the complete button and right now you can see the status has been changed. Our processing to complete option. So let's again the email, click the Gmail, then switch my upwork.moksedul. So I'm clicking and hold on just a few seconds or few minutes. So in this way you can receive and complete a order through your website. So refresh the Gmail. We need to go all email. Then yes, you can see this is another email from your website. So in this website, your business name same to same. Then hi Moksedul, thank you for your purchase. We'll send you a follow-up email with tracking information when your order ships. We need to change the text because we don't have to send from this shipment. So the email function is completely working on your website, and now I am deleting all the move to trash, then apply, and then trash to permanently delete. Empty trash, that means permanently delete. So click on it and this is completely new. So in this way you can handle your resume package, your customer invoice, etc. So I think you will get a complete idea how to receive or how to create an order on your website. Thank you.